Today, we're focusing on Apple, the tech giant that's got everyone buzzing, from Wall Street analysts to Siri herself. First up, the talk of the town. Apple is working on a major AI overhaul that could completely change the game. According to Gene Munster from Deepwater Asset Management, Apple is on the cusp of a paradigm shift with its virtual assistant Siri. Now, I know what you're thinking. Siri isn't exactly known for being the sharpest tool in the AI shed, but Munster believes that an upcoming partnership, possibly with OpenAI, could turn Siri into the Alexa killer we've all secretly wanted. If Apple nails this, it could be how 20% of the world first experiences advanced AI. The company is already gearing up for this monumental shift by developing a new chip architecture featuring a GPU for smartphones, expected to roll out in 2025. This tech leap could allow iPhones to run small language models directly on the device, making Siri not just smarter, but possibly less of a joke at parties. All eyes are on Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference set to kick off on June 10th, where this souped-up Siri might just be the belle of the AI ball. Just a heads up, investors, Munster says Apple stock tends to surge before these big events and dip right after. So, if you're riding the Apple stock roller coaster, buckle up. Shifting focus a bit, let's talk ETFs. Apple's performance has been kind of like that of the tortoise in the AI race, steady but seemingly slow. Despite other tech giants soaring, Apple's shares have climbed a modest 6.3% over the past year. But there's been a revival, thanks to a 52% increase in iPhone shipments in China. This renewed vigor has lifted Apple shares by nearly 11% over the last month, outperforming the S&P 500. And speaking of outperforming, how does Apple stack up against its competitors in the tech hardware industry? Pretty well, actually. Apple's price-to-earnings ratio is lower than the industry average, which some analysts interpret as a sign of undervaluation. Meanwhile, its return on equity blows the competition out of the water, thanks to efficient use of its capital. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Revenue growth has taken a hit, lagging behind industry rates. This might explain why even the venerable Warren Buffett has been trimming his stake in Apple. Concerns over a maturing iPhone market and a seemingly hesitant AI strategy might have prompted this move. Still, Apple remains a giant with strong profitability, robust cash flows, and a promising future in AI. Finally, let's address the elephant, gorilla in the room, Nvidia. Apple and Nvidia are essentially in a market cap face-off, with Nvidia closing in on the $3 trillion mark. While Nvidia rides the AI wave, Munster still bets on Apple to outperform in the next year. Why? Because the market just might be underestimating Apple's potential in the AI sphere. So whether you're an investor, an Apple fan, or just someone who's tired of Siri's questionable responses, keep your eyes peeled. Big changes are coming, and Apple might just redefine how we interact with technology once again. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.